Hello. Our approach, implemented by parents under our supervision, is learning communication skills, social interaction, and development of skills in the field of receptive language, cognitive and motor skills of children with autism from 1 to 4 years old. The parent spends more time with the child. By training to teach your child communication and social skills, by training your child to develop skills in different areas of learning, you can work with them throughout the day in a variety of settings and help your child develop attention, concentration, and memory skills through individual learning. This will give them the opportunity to have knowledge and skills that will enable them to stay and learn in groups with peers in nursery and kindergarten. Learning and implementing intervention strategies at home is also more effective both in terms of time and cost. The program focuses on the use of individual learning techniques, learning social skills and communication in natural environments and daily routine. This will help your child develop, maintain and generalize the skill he has learned. Training has a positive effect on your child's development and reduces the stress you have when seeing your child look for a specific way to respond to his needs while you are not helping him well enough. This program has 3 main objectives. Help your child learn to develop skills in developmental areas, comprehensive language, imitation, cognitive skills, growth, and fine motor skills. This through a combination of the child's need where skills and difficulties being assessed, the expectations and interests of the parents, as well as the recommendations of the individualized program. You will learn how to monitor your child's progress throughout individual learning. Help your child learn self-care skills like toilet training and personal independence such as feeding, dressing, and bathing. This is done by learning to implement specific personalized ways for each child. Learn techniques that will enhance social skills, verbal communication, play, and imitation skills in the natural and social environments. Our program uses techniques based on behavioral approach to individual learning. If a certain level of development has been assessed in the child in all areas, the key points where to intervene are pointed out and the techniques of learning through reinforcement are used. Naturalistic therapy that focuses on verbal communication and social interaction. If your child is interested, for example, in playing with a ball, the ball will be used as a natural way to reinforce your child's behavior. Assessment is done by observing the child's abilities by physical presence or video, information provided by the parent through consultation with the psychologist, and completing the checklist by the parent. All these information serves to build a profile of the skills and difficulties that the child presents to design an individualized plan. The training of parents is done through theoretical and practical training on the use of techniques. Theoretical training is also provided with video packages. The training takes place with a psychologist, with physical presence at the center or online. The parent directly attends the sessions that the psychologist works with the child. The parent begins to work in a full session working with the child and applying the techniques for which has been trained. The parent will spend first some minutes practicing techniques with the child, while the psychologist provides constructive help and feedback. Each session focuses on the structure of the physical environment and individual learning. Learning is done through the use of techniques that promote and develop the learning. The parent is trained and implements the individualized program for his child. The parent video records the program he has worked and sends them to the psychologist, who reviews the techniques from previous sessions, gives feedback on how the parent works and how the child's behavior and learning should be managed. You get a manual with all the theoretical information and a video package with techniques to the level of the program your child is working on. You will also receive an individualized program for your child. The program is designed and followed every month for a period of 3 months, and a reassessment of the child's achievements is made with the objectives for the ongoing program according to the needs of the child and his progress. Parents who participate in this program will participate in theoretical and practical training, will work daily with the child, and will keep track of progress in each program and objectives. The program is designed for parents to attend physical training at the center or online. The child assessment and theoretical and practical training takes place for a maximum period of 4 weeks, adapted to the needs of the child and the possibilities of the parent.